In this video, we're going to take a deeper dive into the alignment feature definition properties. So in the alignment feature, or the drawing that we're in previously, we had our alignment feature drawn and annotated. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the Explorer window and also the Properties window. Let me unpin that and unpin the properties so we can take a look at. So in the Explorer, we're going to go to our alignment feature definition, the file that we're in. We're going to go to feature definitions and then the alignment category, a road subcategory, and we'll select our geometry baseline feature that we've had on, that we've been working with so far. And once we select that, we will see in our properties a dialog to show the properties of that feature definition. So the first one set up is selection. Of course, it's going to be the name. That's going to be the name of the selection that we have. Our second tab is going to be a feature definition. And then on the feature definition tab, we have a name. That's going to, of course, be the name of the feature that we have selected. We'll have a description. That can be the description of the feature definition, and a name seed. That will be a prefix default name that the element will be drawn on, and it'll increment if we place more feature definitions in there as well. Let me go ahead and bring up a PowerPoint that I'll use for feature definitions. So we're in the alignment feature definition. We're going to look at the properties. And of course, the feature definitions, the feature definition can be used to define symbology display of feature in all viewing possibilities. Element naming, automatic selection and templates, attributes for quantity calculations of areas, and other attributes. So we have our feature definition. That's the tab. Our parameters are name, description, and name seed. The name, of course, is the name of the feature definition. Description is going to be the description of the feature definition. And the name seed is used for default naming. If there are multiple elements in the file, the name seed is incremented. So let me go ahead and minimize the selection and feature definition, and we'll focus on the alignment tab. This is going to have properties or parameters of corridor templates, linear feature symbology, and profile feature symbology. So again, let me bring up the dialog PowerPoint, and we'll go to our next category for alignment feature definitions. That's going to be the alignment category, and the parameters are corridor templates. The description for that, this is optional, and it's the template to be attached to the alignment. So we could have a template or corridor automatically attached to a alignment feature. The linear feature symbology is the symbology definition used to draw the horizontal alignment. And the profile feature symbology is the symbology used to draw any vertical alignment elements associated with the alignment if no override is used. And the third and final category in the properties of our feature definition for geometry baseline is items. And that's going to be the items attached. So if we had item types attached to an element, a linear, or this, in our case, alignment feature definition, we would attach it here. That can be things as sub-information that we want to go with that alignment feature. So let me go ahead and bring back up the PowerPoint. And so we went over the selection. That was the name of the feature that we picked. The feature definition tab is parameters of name, description, and name seed. And we have our description. The name is the name of the feature definition. Description is going to be the description. And then the name seed is used for default naming. If there are multiple elements in the file, the name seed is incremented. And then we'll fall down to the alignment tab. And that had corridor template, linear feature symbology, and profile feature symbology. And the corridor template is, of course, an optional feature that a template could be attached to that alignment. The linear feature symbology is going to be used to draw in the horizontal alignment, and profile symbology is going to be the symbology used to draw in the vertical alignment elements associated with that alignment. So that is the properties on the alignment feature definition.